Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to Snapedit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to sign up into your Snapedit, you just simply have to open this Snapedit application. You firstly have to open your Snapedit application, and then you will get to see these three dashes or bars into top right corner. And from there you will get the option of accounts, and beside that this blue sign in button is twinkling. Just simply tap into sign in button, and after that you will get three options in order to sign in. The first one is sign in with email, second is sign in with Apple, and third is sign in with Google. I'm choosing the sign in with Google because it is the easiest. Just simply tap into that option and all of your Google accounts will be here into this row. Just simply choose any of the Google accounts which you want to use in order to sign up. After tapping into any of the accounts that is logged in into your device, it will directly sign up to your account in Snapedit. Easy, right? So you can also very easily sign up to Snapedit by following these very easy steps. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.